Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolette and I make fashion videos. This week I'm sharing some sweater vest outfits for you guys since fall is quickly coming up and this is one of my favorite pieces to wear this time of year. I'm so happy this trend has stuck around since last year because it does go along well with my personal style. So I put together a few looks to share with you guys, so let's just get right into the outfits. Okay, I feel like I have the camera zoomed in a little bit more than usual. I wanted to give this angle a try, so hopefully that works out. But anyways, here is the first look, and it's a very typical preppy little sweater vest outfit. You have the traditional button-down shirt, which is like the #1 way to style one. I'm pretty sure I see this like all over Pinterest. A little preppy pleated skirt, and then I did just style it with some tall white boots because I want to wear these more. I got these like last year, only wore them a few times so far. And then just a little shoulder bag because that's totally like a little preppy moment with this sweater vest here because it's perfect for layering. And then just a beret that I wear in like every video, but we're all about re-wearing our outfits and accessories on this channel, so I'm excited to wear this fall. It's super cute. Okay, and another way I like to style my sweater vest is with a short sleeve collar top. I see that floating around Pinterest a lot too. It's just button downs are just perfect with sweater vests. So it's also great for this time of year because it's still super hot out, at least where I live. So I got my little sweater vest here, my button down, another pleated skirt because I love them, some Mary Janes and socks because they are just a real-time pair of shoes that I wear literally all the time, so I'm not lying to you guys. We're putting these out here all the time. And then I do just have this really cute little bag. Look at the little pearl handle. I love that. It's giving princess vibes. And some preppy accessories like this headband. It's got pearls on it because what is a cute little preppy outfit without the headband, am I right? Okay, this looks giving me Clueless. So if you saw my video last week, I recreated some of Sharon Horowitz's outfits, and this just reminds me of one of the ones I did last week. I totally should have included this little sheer blouse in that, but that's besides the point. So we have another pink sweater vest because pink is my fave color, and I do tend to see a lot of like the oversized button downs or like the oversized sweater vests that are kind of worn as like dresses. So I wanted to do an oversized blouse like a moment here with the sweater vest, and then I do just have a little like A-line skirt underneath because I feel like bodycon and A-line skirts are kind of good with sweater vests too because you can just tuck them in and wear it over the top easily, like pretty comfortably. So I like that look. And then just some knee socks and little Oxford shoes because I already did a pair of boots and it's still super hot out and this is at least kind of manageable for this time of year. And I had to do a little shoulder bag because it matches the shoes and it's giving 90s energy, so we're here for that. And last but not least, I do have a headband. It's kind of hard to tell because my hair is dark and it's a black one, but whatever, it works either way. Still get the full effect here. But yes, total Clueless vibes. This is a little bit more of an out there outfit, but I like it. Not me in a turtleneck when it's literally 85 degrees out, but we're trying to make fall happen. And another nice way to style a sweater vest is with a turtleneck underneath. These vests are basically just great for all types of layering, no matter what time of year it is. I love this type of look for the fall and winter time. So we have a little Argyle vest that kind of gives me like Harry Potter vibes with a beige little matching turtleneck underneath. I kind of went for like a monochrome look here, so I have a matching little beige pleated skirt. Like I said, I wear those a lot, and then just some loafers that match as well as ankle socks. I love to wear like any type of like preppy shoe, like loafers, ankle socks or socks, loafers, Oxfords, you know, Mary Janes. I think they just look great with this type of look. And then I do pick up a few accessories kind of like this bag and the matching shoes that will just go together and then I can rewear with a ton of different outfits. That's just how I prefer to do things. Last but not least, we have a really casual outfit. I know a lot of you guys are into casual looks, as well as Pinterest is promoting this type of style all the time now. I see a lot of sweater vests and denim looks. So I do have a little Argyle sweater vest here to share with you guys. It's one of the newer ones I've actually picked up. And I did style it over a t-shirt. I have seen that look a bit on Pinterest lately too, and it's kind of growing on me. I kind of like it. And then just a pair of like straight leg jeans, like a popular jean style as we all know right now. Just a little canvas bag and some canvas sneakers. So I think this look would be great for like a casual day, either like running errands or like going to school, anything like that. That's all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, everything will be linked in the description box as well as links to similar items. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you here, and I'll see you guys next week with another fashion video. Bye guys!